Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to learn the fastest way to make money online in 2023, even as a beginner? Look no further, because in this video, I will reveal to you the secret to earning $1,000 in no time. Hey, guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Name, and I help people like you make money online. In today's video, we're going to talk about the fastest way to make money online in 2023, even as a beginner. And that is by following these simple steps. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. The first step to making money online is starting a blog. Blogging is a great way to share your ideas and passions with the world while making money. All you need is a domain name and web hosting. You can then start writing about anything that interests you and make money through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Online courses are a great way to share your knowledge with others while making passive income. Another way to make money online is by becoming a virtual assistant. Many business owners need help with administrative tasks like email management, social media scheduling, and research. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. If you have some free time on your hands, you can make money by participating in online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they are willing to pay for it. You can sign up for survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research to get started. If you're crafty, you can make money by selling your handmade products on Etsy. Etsy is a popular online marketplace for handmade and vintage items. You can create your own store, list your products, and start making money. And that's it, guys. These are the 5 fastest ways to make money online in 2023 for beginners. Whether you choose to start a blog, sell online courses, become a virtual assistant, participate in online surveys, or sell products on Etsy, there's no limit to how much you can earn. Just remember to stay consistent and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.